Extreme cut! This time we made 20 bloopers at once. First of all, we made the glitchy blooper. Second of all, Evil Anna is here again. Third of all, an onion replaces own number 1. Fourth of all, we made the color blooper. Fifth of all, we made the font blooper. Sixth of all, this time we made a background color blooper. 7 of all, this time we made a different logo mascot. 8 of all, this time we made a logo character design. 9 of all, Aiden TVE is here. 10 of all, this time we made a different letter in the studio's text. 11 of all, this time we made a language blooper in the studio's text. 12 of all, this time we made a different helper. 13 of all, this time we made a different producer. 14 of all, this time we made a different more producer. 15 of all, this time we made a different paper boy. 16 of all, this time we made a character design. 17 of all, this time we made a YouTuber icon design. 18 of all, this time we made a Blocks character here. 19 of all, this time we made a double fan-made language blooper in the Gabriel Ramos Maldonado.text. And 20th, if a fallen TV replaces red triangle, this time we made 20 bloopers at once!
Done!